Hi everyone. I would like to show you a new tool with amazing free avatars for your projects. In less than 3 minutes, learn how. Let's dive in.
Hi everyone, welcome back. You do not want to miss this. Yes, it's true. I have new human-like avatars for your projects for free. At the end I'll show you more natural avatars talking, but let's dive in. Go to Verbo and sign in. Link will be in the description. Don't worry. Okay, let's choose our avatar. Choose a free one. Then let's paste the text and choose the voice. You can even adjust the speed. Moving on. You can choose another background. What do you think of this one? Beautiful avatar, right? Want to add some stickers? Go ahead. That's it, just export it. Let's see the results.
Wondershare Verbo. Easy to use, no need to shoot. Make international marketing videos in seconds.
No need to shoot. Make international marketing videos in seconds.
Wondershare Verbo, easy to use, no need to shoot.
No need to shoot. Make international marketing videos in seconds.
Tell me what you think of it in the comments.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Tell me what you think of it in the comments. Hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best tools out there. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video.